In this lesson, we're going to learn how to add floors in Revit using the architectural tools, how to sketch the floor boundary, and how to modify it when needed. First, make sure you are on Level 1 floor plan. Then go to the Architecture tab, click on Floor, and select Floor Architectural. When you click it, Revit automatically switches to sketch mode, where you can draw the shape of your floor. In the Draw panel at the top, you have different options to create your floor outline. Line to draw straight segments, rectangle to draw quickly with 2 corner points, pick walls to use existing walls as the floor edge. In this exercise, we will use pick lines. Choose pick lines, then select all the walls to create a rectangular shape for the floor. Once the boundary is complete, click OK, green checkmark, to finish the sketch. Your floor sketch must form a closed loop, no gaps, no intersections. If it's not closed, Revit won't let you finish the sketch. When you're done, click the green checkmark to finish edit mode. Revit will ask you, do you want walls that go up to this level to attach to the floor? Click yes to automatically trim the walls to your new floor. To make changes later, select the floor, then click Edit Boundary in the ribbon. From there, you can move or extend edges, add openings for stairs or shafts, or change the floor shape completely. Example, to create a stair opening, draw a rectangle inside the floor sketch and click the Cut tool to remove that area. Creating and duplicating floor types, wood and tile finish. Go to Architecture tab, then Floor Plan, select the floor, click Edit Type. In the Type Properties window, click Duplicate and name it 10mm screed plus 30mm oak. Then click Edit Structure, Finish Layer, Set Thickness equals 30mm, and choose oak wood as material. Screed Layer, Set Thickness equals 10mm, and assign a cement screed material. Click OK to apply the changes and see your new floor type in the model. Place it in the kitchen. Now, let's create a second variant with tile finish. Click Edit Type again, duplicate the existing one, rename it 10mm screed plus 10mm ceramic tile. Click OK, then Apply to see the new floor type. Place it in the dining room. Create section to check slab alignment. Go to View tab, Section, draw a section line across dining room and kitchen floors, open the section view, adjust floor heights to sit correctly above the existing concrete slab. Verify in 3D view. Go to 3D view, rotate and zoom to show the height difference between existing slab and new finish floors. This ensures the floor finish layers are properly aligned and visible in both section and 3D views.